Hello, welcome to Souriau in Champagne, France. We manufacture connectors for use in severe environments, and I'm the Logistics Operations Manager. The Samba project was for an integrated shipping line where the main criteria was the ergonomic aspect of the workstations to carry out all our shipments. We chose Storopack because they were able to assist us in designing the line right up to the contribution of new solutions. The ergonomic aspect of the workstations was studied extensively with regard to packaging solutions and reducing the carrying of heavy loads. We were then able to work with them on the purchase and setup, which allowed us to continue operations while the new packing line was being set up.
Ce qui nous a permis de continuer l'activité lors de la mise en place de cette nouvelle ligne.
The Samba packing line has helped us achieve significant ergonomic benefits, since we reduced the carrying of heavy loads from 6 to 2, as well as increased productivity, since we are much faster and more flexible in terms of our shipments. We ship the connectors assembled on the Champagne site all around the world in small or larger parcels.
Petit volume ou gros volume en termes d'expédition.
The Samba line is divided into several stages. First, there is the order picking process, carried out with trolleys and prepared with baskets. Then we adapted a workstation that can be adjusted to the operator's height. And we set up a lift table with an integrated scale. The lift table has a high-speed lifting and lowering system, so that users are no longer required to lift parcels. Then, workflow routes the package to a second workstation for billing, and the process ends with the strapping of our parcels. We also integrated all our equipment, label printers and transport printers. We have also adapted a screen adjustment system to make the workstation ergonomic. We use AIRplus pre-cut AIRplus. What's interesting is the use of a silo so that the 4 operator workstations have direct access to the AIRplus without having to go back and forth. There is a constant supply of AIRplus on the packing line. This allows us to optimize our working time. Previously, we had a single operator process. Each operator had a work table and carried out the entire shipping operation. The workstations were static and relatively cluttered, and we had to go back and forth to get the AIRplus and packaging materials such as boxes. We went from 400 to 500 parcels shipped to plus 600 and 700 parcels a day. Storopack allows us to keep up with our growth, which results in more and more fragmented preparations, requiring us to be able to ship faster and be more flexible.
Savoir expédier de plus en plus rapidement et d'être flexible.